Hi everyone, let's begin to solve this math problem. First, we have to work this, and 3 over 5 multiplied by 5, we can easily cancel this 5 and this 5, it equals 3, and 15 divided by 3, it equals 5. But this is not correct answer, because because multiplication and division have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. Left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work this. And here we have to use KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. And here first, according to this rule, keep 15. And we have to change division to multiplication, and we have to flip 3 over 5. When we flip it, 5 over 3 and multiplied by 5. And according to this rule, we have to work from the left to the right. And here we can cancel 15 to 3 and it equals 5 here, and 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, and here 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25 multiplied by 5, it equals 125. This is our final and correct answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer is 125. That's all. Thank you.